common knowledge, common technique you can apply for all the science labs, all whole science labs. So this gentleman said correct. If I give you a group of data, then you need to know how to process that. How to process that. Data. Then tell me from your calculator what you can get.
Yes.
The mean standard deviation. Tell me what's the symbol of the standard deviation in TI calculator? SX. Can you find the standard error alpha in TI calculator?
No.
No. So you have to calculate by yourself. This is one part. If I give you pair of data x, y, y, t, this is tricky in science. In science, we always try to use linear equation. Linear. Always. Then you would say, Dr. Zheng, many times in science, the theoretical equation is not linear. The y in common, we still use linear. Who can answer this question? Who can answer this question?
Can you say the question one more time?
In science, to data fitting, we always use linear. Linear. But you may challenge me, say, Dr. Zheng, many science equation is not linear. But why we still want to use linear in very popular way? Why?
Because if you take the derivative of any function, you could eventually get it to linear in a specific spot. I don't know if that's true.
Any comment? The reason is, yes, you're right. Most of scientific equation is not linear. But when you do data handling, you convert that equation into the linear. Example, free fall. Who can immediately tell me what's the free fall equation?
Is it VF equals VI? Is it? Oh.
Free fall.
The distance fallen is 1/2 the gravitational constant times t squared.
Correct? Perfect. Perfect. Free fall with no initial speed. This is not linear, it's parabolic. But if you do this one, if I set t, convert t squared equal to x, then your equation is linear. By linear, it's easy to find the slope, half g. Sometimes it's complicated, maybe involve logger, involve exponential, you still can do this conversion. Understand? So, if I give you a pair of data, how we can find the gravity? How? How? How?
Do you take the mean values for the data set and solve for G?
That part I did not go through the lab this semester, but we need to go through the next semester. The test, frankly speaking, in science, two common methods. Number one, you are given the graph paper. Actually, three methods. You are given a graph paper. You plot x, which is t squared, versus the y. Then slope is what? What is slope?
1/2 gravity. 1/2 G.
Yes, this is slope. It is one method you have to master. It's common in old days, but nowadays, software making it much more simple. Everybody, after today, pick up how to use Excel to put the list of data. Let Excel draw a graph for you. Then it tell you what is the slope. So next Wednesday, you are allowed to bring your laptop with Excel. If you do not have Excel, if you do not have the laptop, you can use my laptop 60. So you have to wait until other people finish. Okay? Use Excel. You must know how to use Excel for my test, for your education, for your career.
Wait, what was the name? If we're going to bring a laptop, we must use Excel?
Excel. spreadsheet.
What's Excel?
It's like Microsoft. It's like one of the Microsoft things, like Microsoft Word. There's like Excel, and it's basically for like spreadsheets.
So basically like Google Docs. Kind of.
Google Docs is more like Word.
Yeah.
Excel sheet is a
Like
data sheet plotter, and you've got a bunch of cells. You can plot data points, create graphs. And it's very good for. It's a spreadsheet.
So Microsoft Excel.
Microsoft Excel. It's a part of Office, so
Yeah, I think I know this.
yeah. If you have like OneDrive or Word or PowerPoint, you also have Excel.
Correct? This is the second method. Third method, use each TY calculate G. G1, G2, G3. So you have NG put into your TI calculator, statistical package to find average. The three methodology you need to master. This is very common, not just for physics, science, any chemistry, biology, as well as social science. Let me stop for a few minutes to see any questions. Yes, please.
What exactly was the feature that you did to learn on Excel? Plotting the graphs? Is what you said?
Correct. Find the slope. You also can find the correlation, which we are going to cover next week. Only, yes, please.
Is that gonna be on the test?
Yes,
Like the Excel part?
yes. So from today to next Wednesday, you have a week to pick up Excel. Yes, please.
So, we need to find the slope of the data points,
Correct.
which can be done with our calculators too, on the stats part then.
You are required to know how to use Excel. In your engineering job, if you show a calculator, your boss face will be this way.
Okay, can someone teach me how to use Excel? Because I never used Excel before.
So I guess what you're trying to get at, we're gonna have data sets.
Divided by delta X. That's what the fundamentally Excel sheet is. But before you do this one, you are given a graph paper, you draw this one in the test, calculated by yourself. Then you use a spreadsheet, let Microsoft, Bill Gates do for you. Excel nowadays is a very easy tool for everybody. But our Lake Ranch campus development for the still teach senior citizens, talking at grammar level, how to use a spreadsheet. I remember a story. 18 years ago, close to Lake Ranch, there is a GE division there. My friend worked there as a financial officer. The GE every year they will hire intern from very good school, Ivy school, and these students working in different departments of engineering. They got paid. Then they rotate after a year and a half. When they finish their degree, she will keep some of the students. Now I remember the story that Friday afternoon they have a data meeting and ask the students that can you use a spreadsheet to show your data, not use a calculator. The girl said, I never use spreadsheet. The doctor said, you must use next week. The girl is from Yale student, from Yale. So you know what the girl did? After finishing job Friday, she went Barnes and Noble. At that time, there's not many tutorial on the website. So she rushed to the Barnes and Noble, purchased Excel sheet book, read overnight, practice Saturday, Monday, show beautiful Excel she wrote. So that's the way any tool you need to pick up. Okay? The three methods. Calculate each G, put into your calculator. With given graph paper, draw the graph, find the slope. Use the Excel sheet to find the slope. Clear? Last part is for calculus students. If you have G equal to what? G equals to 2y divided by t squared. Correct? We want to measure the G. How many independent variables for G? How many? What are they?
Y and T.
Y and T. So, if your lab, you measure the Y, let me finish, I will wait. Now your question.
Yeah, is that a square root? G equals the square root of 2y over t squared?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, I'm sorry, you're right. You're right. No square. Thanks.
You should give him extra points for that.
Well, if he has like 1 point to reach the F, I definitely.
Damn.
Now you need to use calculus.
It's actually like triple directly.
Use the calculus. for t, you have average t, standard deviation t, standard error. For y, you have standard deviation y, standard error y, average y. Then how this error propaganda to the G. That's you did in the lab. Remember first day, second day lab, you need to derive this equation. That's fun, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Good attitude. This one only for calculus students.
So basically, our lab practical is like everything on this page and Excel sheets.
Correct.
Okay.
So how many questions is that going to be?
Not much.
It's one question.
It's one question, so you either get a 0% or 100%.
Find all the partial derivatives.
Mental quantities in science. Mass and
Volume?
And density?
That.
what are the three fundamental quantities in science?
Mass.
Length, mass, time.
Loudly,
Length, mass, and time.
three. Length, mass, and time. I hope I can cover all in the final, but we still do not have very good equipment for this. So I cover length, which you use the meter stick, that one. The vernier caliper, you use that one. The last one, my order not went through is micrometer. So these three on your table. Next Wednesday you have to answer for each instrument. What are the significant figures? What is the procedure? This is very fundamental.
What was the green name instrument again? That besides the meter stick? Just want to make sure.
These three next Wednesday they are on your
What's this one?
Yeah.
And this one?
micrometer.
Micrometer.
What's in the black box?
Micrometer.
No. But yes, it is.
That's the reason I did not give to this time. I need all the digital.
Oh, it's, wait.
We have never used these.
You're right, because I haven't ordered digital yet. Reading by this small scale, I'd kill my eye, and I don't feel comfortable
Wait,
teaching
did he say
students.
we're using digital or this one?
Yes, please.
Hey, how does it work though?
It's a scale. It's like
Be quiet. Question again.
Are we allowed to bring everything with us to the lab?
You're allowed to bring a reference sheet. You're allowed to bring calculator. You're allowed to bring your laptop.
For
I
Excel.
think it has to like turn somehow. I don't know.
For using Microsoft Excel.
Yeah, for the standard.
Are we also allowed to use?
Sit down. Sit down.
Are we also allowed to use ChatGPT one time or no?
One time.
Okay. We'll simplify to set the laptop Excel.
That's the scope of final lab. Totally 5 problems. 3 hours is longer enough for everybody. Last question. When we have lab final?
Next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday.
Next
9 a.m.
Wednesday.
Day before Thanksgiving.
You have to throw that in there.
Yep. Make it easier. Or I guess specifically day of Stranger Things come out.
I'm gonna be mentally abused for
Any
2
more
weeks.
questions? My phone's still on. From today to next Wednesday, any question associated with the lab, call me. Sit down.
Okay.
Yes. We're not in army, so you can sit. Yes,
I was
please.
in the military, so that military academy, so that's one thing.
Yeah, question.
Um,
Hey, question please.
Are you gonna post some of these stuff in campus or no? Like on when you show up on the board from before?
No,
No?
I only owe you is another 2 lecture chapter homework. I'm going to post by end of this week. More question? All good? Take it easy, okay? Everything is on the blackboard. You can still have 1 week to prepare for Excel sheet. To you, even high school kids can do within 2 days. Okay? So I bet 1 hour you probably learn from him. He's very good. Okay, you can stay here, or you can go to the library. I'm here for the whole day and the whole night.
Okay.
Alright. So in summary, measure